guys, I hope you're all well. I'm starting my house renovation series today, so I thought I would give you a tour of what it's like at the moment. We've only been in here a week, so it's quite a mess, so don't judge us. If you didn't know, we've bought it's like a 1930s house and we're going to renovate it. The house we were in previously, we did an extension on, so we've got a bit of experience of like building, renovating sort of thing. It was Paul's nan's old house, so we sold that and we bought this one, so excited to get cracking. I had so many questions saying please do videos on it, so I've got a highlight on my Instagram which I will link somewhere in this video, showing you all little bits and how we're getting on so far. We've ripped the bathroom out. That was like the first job because it was disgusting. We're kind of doing a room at a time. Obviously it's a costly affair, so yeah, the bathroom is the first room to do, but I will show you as you walk in and what the plans are, etc. So if you like these kinds of videos, let me know and I will do more and I will do updates. If not, I'll just keep it to my Instagram because I know not everybody is bothered. So this is the front door. I'm going to start here and this is the hallway. Now this hallway sold me this house. I just love it. Love the staircase, love the dado rail, really high ceilings, which I love. I've just got a couple of pictures up. It looks horrible at the moment because everything is so dated, and check out this doorbell. How cool is that? That is going. It is quite offensive. So yeah, coming through the hallway, there's a dog and another dog. So this room on your right is like the front kind of living room, I guess. Really quite a big room, this one. It's got a lovely bay window. The wallpaper is horrific, and this is like the dumping room at the moment. As you can tell, it looks awful. But again, really nice high ceilings. The wallpaper is hideous. You can see like patches where there's been photos hung up. But again, you've got the dido rail and then a bit more wall above it before you get to the ceiling. And this is all like polystyrene tiles, so they're going to be an absolute bugger to get off. We have considered just plasterboarding over the top, but I don't know yet. They're all over the ceiling. They're like such a fire hazard, so they need to come down. The curtains, as you can tell, are like old lady dress. But we haven't got any curtains at the moment, so they do the job fine. What are you running about at? You shouldn't be running around, should you? But, no, in your bed. Git. As you can tell, Bert's better. So this wall, again, you can see where the pictures have been taken down. I bought a Farrow & Ball tester paint the other day. It is in the shade Stiff Key Blue. I absolutely love it. So obviously this is just over the top of wallpaper. We're going to strip this before we paint it, but I think I'm going to go for this colour and then white above maybe. I'm not sure because I don't want it like too blue. But anyway, so turn around in this room and then you come into the living, like a middle room. It's a really weird room, this. I don't really get it. I think eventually we'll probably knock through from the kitchen and have it as like a kitchen diner. But yeah, at the moment this is where we kind of watch telly, relax. We've got the old fire here, which makes an absolute racket. It's got a back boiler, so whenever that fires up, it's just, you cannot hear the telly. It makes such a row. Luckily we've had really nice weather, so we haven't had to have that on. But again, same wallpaper, same polystyrene tiles on the ceiling. I have hung my new lampshade up though, which I adore. This will be going in the room I've just showed you because of the colour. It's from IKEA if you are interested. And yeah, we've just got our old sofas. We'll probably change those at some point. And then here we had like glass sliding doors when we first moved in, but we ripped those out because they're just, it makes this room so enclosed. It's so dark, this room, so any bit of light is welcome, so we had to get rid of those doors. And then you come into like the old extension part. Obviously this was really modern when it was actually done back in, God knows when it was done, I'm going to say 70s, 80s. But yeah, we've got like a mustard yellow wall here. French doors out to the garden, and then you've got like a little island here. Kitchen floor is very jazzy. I don't understand why it goes from blue to then blue and white checks. Quite strange, but yeah. Everyone was raving about these tiles. I actually really like them as well, but I don't know whether we'll get them off in one piece. The tiles in the bathroom didn't come off in one piece. It pulled like the whole wall down, so but I do love them, and I feel like you'd pay loads for them these days, so bit gutted, but I'll try and get them off in one piece, and we might use them like round a fireplace or something, try and repurpose them. But yeah, real old school cupboards and sinks, and then you've got another window here which looks out over the garden. A horrible asbestos garage which we need to get rid of somehow. I'll just show you the garden briefly. Quite big, much bigger than what we were used to. We have a vegetable patch here, and then like some borders and flowers and stuff. I'm going to do like a Japanesey corner down the bottom, and yeah, it brings you back round. This is the long bit of the kitchen. We've got like a bit of a carport out there, and then open this door and it brings you back into the hallway. So, oh, we've got an understairs cupboard which is full of shit, as is everyone's understairs cupboard. We will probably eventually knock that bit out as well, so you can get in, like have some sliding shoe storage and whatnot. But yeah, this is the hallway from this way round. Sorry if you can hear me out of breath. And this is the staircase, so I will take you upstairs. I'm not used to stairs because we lived in the old place was a bungalow, so it was just one floor. Oh, right, so I'll do the bathroom first. I've got some clips that I took as to what it was like before we ripped it out. It was like a lemon sweet, and it was disgusting. Honestly, it was just vile. When we got here, there was like a load of brown in the toilet, and it was just, oh, it was disgusting. The bath was disgusting. The first job was rip it out. So we've got a bath in, and we've got a toilet, and then we're just in the middle of ripping the wallpaper off, and my dad is going to come and plaster the ceiling, I think. Paul's got the battening up for the plasterboard, or tile board, whatever it is. Look at that old school heater. I feel like you just get an electric shock if you turn that on. But yeah, bath in. We're washing in the kitchen sink at the moment, and then backwards and forwards to Paul's mum and dad's and my mum and dad's to have showers and stuff. So, bit of a pain, but hopefully it'll be worth it. We're having a sink and like cupboard unit here. I'm going to have a shower this end on this wall, and then we're going to tile white tiles, I think, with like subway tiles with black grout. And I found my radiator I want, which will look really cool. It's smaller than that one. Yeah, that is the bathroom. I'll probably have a wooden floor, get some wooden like clipboard tile stuff, I don't know what it's called. Quite a small landing. These were the original tiles as well. They're like a lemon. They go with all the bath. They're very horrible, but I'm sure they were quite trendy in their day. Got the attic up there, which is actually quite big in there. We did toy with the idea of going up into the attic and renovating up there, but I don't know. So then this is just another dumping room at the minute. It's going to be Ellie's room. So we've got some big wardrobes here. And then I can't really show you in here because it's just a mess. Paul's bike. Looks over the garden, this room. All the blue tack's still left on the wall. It's pretty rank, this room. It's probably in the worst condition as well. The carpet's seen better days. But yeah, it's a nice big room and it will be nice when it's done. And then come back out here. We've got a tiny bedroom, which is going to be... Oh, blinds are closed, but you get the gist. It's just my office at the moment. It's an absolute tit. I had to get rid of my filing cabinet, so there's like paperwork everywhere. The filing cabinet wouldn't fit in, it was just too big. So it looks quite big on the GoPro because obviously it's like a wide angle, but it's tiny. So yeah, I don't know what we're going to do with this room. Not sure. Try and keep it as tidy as possible and just work in here, I think. And then this is our bedroom. So quite a nice big light room. I've got my dressing table in. Again, we've got the big wardrobes, which the man that lived here was a carpenter, so he made these himself, which I think was really cool. Unfortunately, they're not the best for storage. I think we're going to have someone like Sharps come in and make some fitted wardrobes at some stage, just because we can't get all of our stuff in. There's no like shelving storage, it's all hanging, and in the top it's just like great big cupboards, which, I mean, they're useful, but you just find yourself putting stuff up there and forgetting about it and all that. So it's got like a mini dressing table in as well, which is quite nice. But again, that space could have been sort of utilised with shelving for t-shirts and stuff. So yeah, we're going to have it ripped out, I think, and get a proper, not proper because this is proper, but you know what I mean, something a bit more updated. I do really like it, and I have toyed with the idea of painting it, but I feel like the doors would stick and they wouldn't run as smoothly and stuff like that. So yeah, not 100% sure yet. We got a big bay window in this room, which is nice. Again, really high ceilings. Is it Dido? It is Dido, isn't it? Dido rail. I always call it a dildo rail, but... And yeah, quite a big room. We're going to downsize the headboard, I think, because we had a huge room in our old place, but it's just far too big for this room. So yeah, that is the bedroom. So that is all the rooms in the house, guys. I hope you enjoyed having a bit of a mooch around. Give the video a thumbs up if you did like it, and I will do some more. Let me know whether you want to see like us doing things or you want to see when we've done it, kind of thing, because I'm doing like as I said at the start of the video, I'm doing like a highlight reel on my Instagram of as and when we do things, like step-by-step process. But if you want to see, like, if you don't want to see that many videos on it and you just want to see a room when we've done it, let me know. Let me know what kind of format you want to see this in, because I'm not sure how to do it yet. So yeah, I will see you in my next video. Sorry it's been ages. It's been super stressful the last month or so, so hope you understand, and I will see you soon. Bye.